mean to me? Who would ever think that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? Now when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby and me. And baby, they can't believe it. You and me are together. That's why they should have never said never. Yeah. There were times when
it would be a good place to invest in another warehouse, but not single.
I would invest in a warehouse, in an industrial area before a new build construction.
Correct.
Let's go. Hey y'all, we outside. Dynasty laughing because I'm annoyed like hell. Wait, let me screw y'all on. Doing nothing, y'all, like literally nothing. But I got shit to do today. I gotta go to the bank. I gotta go pick up my order from Target. I really want to work in Target, but I'm not gonna do it. It's cold. My car nasty as hell. I hate when my damn car dirty. I gotta go try to get my car clean, bro. I may go see my mom or see if she off today. And I think that's all we got. Oh, we gotta go to the beauty supply store and get Dynasty some hair. You ain't remind me. The bank closed at 12. That's kind of why we out early. I kind of wanted to sleep in today, but I gotta go make a deposit.
Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something.
Okay,
Guess what?
this man in our business while we in the Target parking lot just here, and we was eating, and he got some black shades on. I really would show y'all, but always giving this a woman actually. Here, Dynasty, hold this on me. So y'all, we finna go. Woman. That is a woman. She got a ponytail. Isn't that a woman?
No, that's a man. He just got out the car.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
So y'all, we finna over here.
But listen.
No, Dynasty, I don't like when you do that. So we finna go to our photo spot, and then I need car wash. You need to. Okay, y'all, I'm finna try to have y'all up because I normally have y'all down. Dynasty, you gotta come over some.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I be. And when my mind turns sour with the painful scenes, I need to scream out loud, I can't stop me. I wanna be the greatest like Rocky. You know I leave them all hating like a hobby. I'm out here making moves like a lobby. And if you ain't with me, it's your loss, see. I got my mind on the facts, I'm a python, grab what I like real fast. Stroke until I have everything I attack, everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact.
Cause I'm my own worst enemy. Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I'm in a